Hi, this is Vanias. I posted this tutorial on my blog, Paper Creations, etc. But some people prefer video tutorials. So here we go. For this technique, you don't need any type of a machine, only double-sided adhesive tape. Isn't that cool? For this card, I used two widths of tape, and I'm going to show you them. One is 1/8 of an inch wide, as you see here, and the other one 1/4 of an inch wide. Instead of using the candy cane paper like I used on this card, I'm going to use a blank card. That's how simple you can make a card and yet very beautiful because of the foiling. First, I'm going to use the 1/4 of an inch wide tape. I like these tapes because I can easily tear them with my hands, as I will show you in a minute. So here we go. First, the 1/4 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch tape. Like that. Next, I'm going to use the 1/8 of an inch wide tape. This one here. And I am just eyeballing the distance between the strips of tape. You can measure it if you choose to, of course. So here they are, just posting them carefully on the paper. There we go. Now I'm just going to use scissors to trim the excess of tape. Like this. Next, I'm going to peel the top of the 3 strips to expose the adhesive. We need that for the foil. Like so. I usually use a poke tool to do that, but today I used my fingernail. Now I'm going to place the foil on the strips of adhesive, rubbing the foil carefully, making sure that it's covering every single spot on those strips of tape. Rub well. Don't be afraid of hurting. Just be gentle. You can use the same process with double-sided tape and die cut images. You can die cut or fussy cut images, and like we did here, I used the negative image for this card that I made in double-sided tape to make another card. That's how simple it is. Now once you rub well and make sure the foil is adhered completely, you can peel off the foil. And there it is. Beautiful, isn't it? Now all you have to do is stamp and embellish.